Sarah Azrin. I am Nur Jamila binti Abdi. I am Nur Fatimah Syura binti Ismail. I am Rahim Syed.
Rahim!
And I am Aina Wajiha binti Salihuddin. Hi everyone, my name is Nina Shaida. Today we are going to learn on safety measures taken on construction site. First, before we enter the construction site, we need to ensure that we have prepared our identity card. It is to ensure that we could identify your identity in case of accident occurs. Let's get into it.
Sini adalah kawasan perhimpunan Toolbox. Perhimpunan Toolbox adalah penting untuk berkongsi maklumat dan informasi yang berkenaan dengan keselamatan dan kesihatan pekerja. Kehadiran adalah wajib untuk manfaat semua orang.
On construction site is non-smoking area. It is stated on entrance of construction site.
Oh really? I should stop smoking now?
Yes, you should stop smoking now.
Now?
Yes, now.
Okay, thank you.
As we can see, accident could occur if the equipment and the material is not properly arranged.
Okay then.